Welcome back to another vlog. Oh, we are at Tiff's Nature Preserve. This is our first time here because we would never fucking find it. But because we're dumb as hell. We got pretty. So, nature. This ain't even the nice part, Caesar said. Holy fucky. Let's see. Today we're out here in the nature.
So friends, so this is freaking out right now. Because, I don't know.
I don't fuck with this nature. Oh, I could hear fucking animals, bruh, in this shit. Dude, can you hear them? Dude, I swear you could hear these niggas.
The deer's all that way.
Tell me this is not some scary movie shit. Tell me this isn't.
Yo, butterfly.
Dude, this is some scary movie shit. It's pretty as hell, but look it. Fucking, they chase you into the fucking lake. It's crazy. What up, boy? I'm Hillbilly Friend.
And I'm Hillbilly Size. And we're over here in our
Farming?
land. Yeah. We got the horses and the cows and the piggies. Yeah. We got it all.
Two paths. Which way should we go?
The rocky road.
Or up the hill?
What do you think?
I don't fucking know. Let's go this way. Two paths again. Stay on the road. We're going.
I think we're gonna have to go.
Like leave?
Come back. What? I'm gonna have to take a shit.
You heard it first. Back at it again.
Yeah.
Because we had to leave because Mr. over here had diarrhea and couldn't hold that shit.
Thanks to
Let me tell you, every time we go out to eat, it goes one through here and out the other way, like not even a half an hour.
That's good.
That's not good. That's not normal.
Healthy shitting.
That's not healthy.
That's not healthy?
That's fucking
that's
shit right
after. Yeah.
Well, anyway, we're back over here again. Wow. Babe, say hello to your family. Caesar, say hello to your family.
What, nigga?
You heard me. Bruh, we got Bambi and his mom out here. Look at how fucking cute. Oh my god. We're fucking walking. There was a fucking deer. Caesar scared it though. Oh, I could hear him. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh my god. Caesar, they could fucking attack us, bro. Walk that way again?
Yeah.
But you go in the front. This is the fucking deer that scared us. Oh my god, it's coming over here. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost fucking... Holy fuck. I'm just fucked up today. I'm all fucked up. But We're going back now to go to the other part that we were earlier. Hopefully we won't get lost going back, because I do not fucking remember the turns we made and shit. We'll see.
Fuck. I was taking a picture. Francie kept walking and now she's fucking ghost. Her phone is in my fucking book bag and I can't fucking find her. She never fucking listens though. Fuck. Where the fuck is she, yo? Francie! Oh shit! Yeah.
Just kidding.
I'm pretty
We're
sure
funny,
you guys could
right?
tell we suck at acting.
We're funny. Now we're leaving. Probably go home, chill. See if maybe we could watch the fight later tonight.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yep. Conor McGregor versus Mayweather.
who y'all want to win? Who's gonna win?
I want
I feel Mayweather's definitely gonna win.
Mayweather's probably gonna win, but I want McGregor
They're both assholes.
to knock him the fuck out.